Entomology matters because insects are the most abundant, diverse, and some of the most important organisms on the planet.
Since I was little, I've always been obsessed with insects. There's so many answers that we don't know yet. There's so many different unidentified species, and there's thousands of bugs just in your backyard.
Students involved in projects in the Department of Entomology have worked on a wide range of real-world problems, ranging from developing new and alternative methods to managing pests, to even describing brand new species that were previously unknown to science and society.
One thing that's really good about studying entomology at Texas A&M is when you do research in labs, you do a lot of techniques that are multidisciplinary.
Part of our degree plan is we have to have a certain amount of hours of research in order to graduate. And whenever you go to get a job, those experiences are crucial.
You can do work that benefits human society, either through protecting crops and forage from pests, or protecting humans from insects, diseases. And of course, the other aspect is insects are used in forensics to help solve crime.
Forensic science is the application of science to law, and entomology is everywhere where you look around. So the intersection of those two is everywhere if you want to open your eyes to the possibilities. There's also multiple aspects of forensic entomology that isn't just the medico-legal. So there's contamination, there's stored products, urban entomology, which is, looking at infestations. There's even forensic entomology in terms of like living people.
Insects such as mosquitoes or different arthropods like ticks are extremely important organisms that transmit those diseases.
Studying vectors matters because it allows us to find a target in order to decrease the spread of disease or stop pathogenesis of certain pathogens.
Insects aren't only pests. Of course, there are a lot of insects that are pest species, but a lot of insects are beneficial to humans in many different ways.
We have this really unique opportunity to study a whole variety of different insects that are important for agriculture or important for human health, or that are just very interesting. And those are some things that we wouldn't have the opportunity to do in other locations.
We have some of the top names in the field here, and so to get the opportunity to do research with those names is a very unique experience.
We're a really big scientific community, so we support each other in all our inquisitive thoughts.
I would say the culture of the Texas A&M Entomology Department is really close-knit. It's a culture that encourages learning and collaboration.
Students come out of this degree being very well trained and prepared for success in a variety of different career fields.
In the Department of Entomology at Texas A&M, we work with small bugs to make a big impact.